Hey, shortwave girl, look where we're at.
Kalamazoo Expo.
Yeah, we're here for the Vintage Electronics Expo. This is the 2018 one, and we're going to take our wagon, do our typical thing, right? But I got a question for you. What's that?
My phone.
Your phone. And how old are you?
8.
You know what? I have a phone too, but mine is a flip phone. You know why? Because James T. Kirk had a flip phone. He talked to the Enterprise. You've got more like a tricorder. Mush! Mush!
I think my grandpa's getting too old for this stuff.
I think this is great. Mush! To the Expo! Come on, put your back into it. Come on, put your back into it.
Hey, you pulled that pretty good.
Yeah, that wagon's a little bit lighter now. You ain't got some goon in it, huh? All right. I'm always excited about swap meets because Grandma lets me buy anything I want.
Right.
Right. Okay.
That's your feet.
All right. In you go.
In I go.
I got it. Hey, you two. You got to get armbands. You know they just don't let anybody in for free. I mean, do you know what a record player is?
Yes.
Really? Okay. What is it?
It's like a disc, and it's like something else that plays the disc, and it like spins it around. But there's like I think there's like a needle or something else that puts when you push it down, then it makes the music play, and the record spins around and around and around.
Excellent.
And you can put it in whatever record you like.
Yep. Okay. So they're going to have a whole bunch of them here tomorrow, right?
Yes, they're going to do this tomorrow, and I was told that if you want to help do it, you can.
So we got to get a
cool,
record
huh?
player going on. We're going to have to fix one tonight.
Tonight?
Yeah, tonight.
Yikes.
Yeah. All right, let's get our armbands. Here we go. 2018. Hey, Rex. How's it going, man?
Good to see you, man.
We're heading back there, and then I'll come back to see you.
Okay.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, no. Oh, no. This is John and Marcia. See you, Emmy.
Yeah. Do you remember Emmy?
Yeah, this is great. She's a year older.
She is.
What's the
And
deal
she's
now?
beautiful.
How come you shake her hand and you hug my wife?
I can hug you too.
Hey, man.
I like that. He does that to mine too. Really.
You too.
I'm thinking it's just him.
Yeah. Oh. All right.
There we go.
There you go. Excellent.
Now you just got to buy something.
Oh, I will, man. Did you bring me some good stuff?
What are you looking for?
Well, I'll have to talk about that when I come back. We got to go down here and see the commander-in-chief.
Okay, hey, it's
We'll
great
be back,
to see you.
man. You too.
I was hoping that you'd come.
Well, of course. I wouldn't miss it.
Straight on back.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Go ahead, Em. We'll
Straight
follow
back
you.
to the restrooms, honey.
Yep. We're following you, buddy.
Don't run over anybody's toes.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, man.
I sent you an email once, but I really love your YouTube site.
Oh, cool.
I'm on
Cool.
there all the time.
Are you?
Yeah.
A little fan mail. So
Yeah.
your and name is?
Tom.
Tom.
Rambo.
Okay, Tom.
I work for ZF Automotive Industries in,
Oh, cool.
in Livonia. I work in the EMC test lab.
Oh, all right. Yeah.
4 full anechoic chambers and
Cool.
do testing over there. But yeah, I'm going to retire the first of the year. And then after dealing with high-tech automotive electronics for 30 years, now I want to go back to tubes.
Good. Good,
So-
man. Yeah, get back into the hobby, man.
I was hoping I'd get a chance to meet you here
Yeah,
at the show.
we'll sit down and talk. I just got to do some quick videoing, and
That's fine.
We'll do it up, man.
Okay.
All right. Good
Talk to
meeting
you
you.
later, Terry.
Okay.
Thanks.
There's some goodies. Got to make my way down here because we're going to talk to the head of the club. They want D-Lab to do a little bit of features here. Hey, man.
Hey.
What's going on?
Terry.
Yeah, I'll be right with you, man.
I want to talk to you.
Okay, roger that. We'll do it. Did you find some Halicrafters for me, sweetie?
I did, honey.
Excellent.
How about that?
All right.
I'm gonna buy this chair set here for you.
Oh, a chair set.
Yeah.
Oh, this is really interesting. Go ahead.
Yeah,
explain.
it's a Philco at 370. It's got the 70 chassis in it, which you can open up the top and see it in all its glory. And they just convert the cathedral to topside control. That's the only difference in the chassis. And
Wow.
and all the guts are the same, and it's got the Norman Bell Geddes design on it. It should have a tag that says that, but I've had one before that had that.
Yeah.
that
And
tag.
what's your name, sir?
My name is Ken Nevins.
All right. And do you restore these then? or-
I do. I'm totally tubular antique radio repair
excellent.
and
Excellent.
sales.
All right. And yeah, that's gorgeous piece. Is it operational?
Oh yeah,
All right.
yeah. It's fully restored.
Wow.
Ready to go.
Wow. And it's what, like $25?
It's, add another zero to that, and you'll have her, yeah.
Okay.
But that's not bad.
No,
For
it's
something
not.
that's restored and it's
Yep, I agree.
darn nice shape, you know.
Yep, it's beautiful.
Being around for probably 19, I'm going to say 31 or 32, you know, so
Mm-hmm.
it's been around for a while.
Yeah. Cool. All right. Well, good luck, sir. Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got to do our walk around here.
Oh, absolutely. Buy a few helicopters for you,
Oh, yeah.
SX-17, a little national, which I always thought was cute. And some two helicopters.
Two checkers. Hey, Emmy. Remember that record player we were talking about? There's the insides of one right there. Yep, right there.
Wow.
Yep. So do you know where the needle's at? Can you show me where the needle is?
I think it's right around here.
It's underneath of it. It's under here. Under there. Yep. Yep. That's where it's at.
Looks pretty sharp.
Yeah.
So you just gotta like move this over
And it has something to show you.
Okay, you got something to show me?
Tell your grandpa what you told me.
These look pretty old. These.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they are. You like those?
And then Grandma told me they were from the Irwins.
Yeah.
Would you say about that one?
Oh, I think this one looks like a pancake thing I've been to. I mean, not a pancake, a waffle thing I've been to.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Waffle something.
Yeah. It's very cool. Yeah, identify yourself. I'll get you on there. All right, so it's Jeff.
Hey, it's Jeff Brooks.
And
I'm
you
from,
subscribe to D-Lab?
I
huh?
do. I've learned a lot from this man right here.
Cool, man.
And I actually live in Belleville, Ontario, which is about 2 hours east of Toronto. I spent all day driving down here yesterday
Ugh.
because of him.
And look, you get to be on video, man. It's a good deal.
I don't know, is it? Does it pay?
No. Let's continue with the walkabout here. There's not a lot of people here yet. But of course, this is Friday. So tomorrow, I would expect a lot more of the general public to show up. Newcomb record player. Looks to be in decent condition.
And what's amazing is the first one I made, I didn't know how to do it. But all I did was
rants. Some nice rusty amps, my favorite thing.
Yeah, you know, that's an interesting question. The danger factor. But I wonder if you
How you doing?
All right, how are
flush
you?
it out
Good.
with water and then use a
So what do we got there? Is that a differential meter or?
It's a, I think it's used for, it's a potentiometer used to calibrate thermocouples.
Wow, excellent.
Leads in Northrop.
Yeah, it's a jewel.
Yeah.
A lot of people wouldn't know what that was though, you know. Well, good luck at the meet.
Yep, thanks. I think that's for the standard zone. The little door, the garage for a standard stuff. And I think that's what you use with your reference. For calibrating.
How you doing, man? Well, it's sold, but we'll still take a look at her. Beautiful SX 115. This was here last year.
It didn't tell me. They're bringing it up, and as the RPM's coming up, the whole control shack. Wow. It's a shaker. Oh, God, I'm thinking this thing's
I'm
going to
sneaking up on you, man.
This thing's going to explode.
That's all right. I'm just
Thanks,
doing my
Eric.
walk around and then
Sure.
come back and we'll visit, man.
Sure. Did you get
didn't
the,
mean to interrupt.
Did you get the Chrome?
The what?
The Chrome SX9?
No. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's already sold though.
Pardon?
It's already sold.
I'm sorry. I was going to keep it for you.
Yeah. Hey, money talks, man.
There you go.
I'll be back.
Okay, Terry. Anyway, I didn't know what was going on. I thought that thing was going to shake us up. No, what it was this control shack. This shack was built out of this superstructure.
Dynaco
The
here.
vibrations hit the resonant frequency of the structure. The machine wasn't shaking. The structure was.
Look at that baby. It's like some type of an old generator made by Telonic. Pretty cool. Little upside down Heath kit. Here's an old kit. Maybe you want to put that one together, huh? All right.
But as we're going console hall, we did stumble once today, and that's not bad.
A lot of chrome there.
Does this belong to anybody over here? This booth? Anybody? Do you know who has this booth? You butted your table up against his.
No, I don't know where that guy is.
So how's videography going there, Emmy?
Good.
Yeah? What's the title of your video going to be?
Shortwave Girls first video.
Okay, that'll work. That's cool. All right, buddy. Well, good luck. Let me know if you need my help. How's it going?
Good.
I'm gonna put you two on YouTube.
Yes.
Is that all right?
Yeah. I respond.
If you want, you can identify yourselves. Do you restore or just here to sell?
Restore,
Yeah.
sell.
Okay.
A hobby.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Keeps it going.
Excellent. Yeah. I'll pan the goods here. Maybe somebody will contact you on YouTube. Are you going to be in the record player contest tomorrow?
No,
No.
You know, I looked and I had tons of 40. I had no AQ.
Ah. Well, there's plenty of record players around here. You can probably find one that'll do the job.
Did you film it?
That's a beauty there. It's a crossley. Look at that. Got some vintage toys, trains. Just talking to myself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He's got the good stuff in the bag, don't you?
Yeah, how about that?
How you guys?
Just showing people what's at the swap meet here. The visual, you know? Well, I love the purple one here, man. It's cool. That's gorgeous. There's a good candidate for a D-Lab amp, huh?
Or you must have missed out on some stuff too. Like it's like $100 back then. And you're like, oh, that's too much. Forget it.
And when he was retiring, you know, he was a barber, you know. You don't think about it. The barber would inhale a lot of that little fine hair and affecting his lungs. Really?
So how come you guys put the serial numbers of these radios on top like that? That's pretty good, huh?
It's a good one, yeah.
Yeah, thanks. They're gorgeous.
They're all the same number.
Yeah, I know. Can I get them as a set?
I think take a picture of the number there.
Oh, I will, man. It's beautiful.
His brother had an iron shop, and when he died, he gave him all his brother's money. His wife died. So
Hey.
Oh, I probably. Yeah. We look at the same stuff.
How are you, John?
I used to have one of these 735s. Great radio.
Walking around again, my bones will get stuck.
Over there.
Charlie.
One of those electronic tabs for learning. Very cool.
Oh my God. First time in 15, 20 years.
Modern solder gun. There's another one. Look at that jobber.
I did a
Got rubber band clothes though.
couple weeks ago.
Very cool. So over here.
It's not 95 in here. It took a lot out. I decided just come and shop. I'm spending my flea market. Oh, good.
Real nice Jackson tube checker. It's beautiful.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How you doing? How's sales? Not yet.
No, but
No.
that's okay.
Yeah, it's early.
Here for fun.
Yeah, after people see us on YouTube, you guys will be selling everything. All right.
Oh yeah, I like it too. It's cute, and I picked
that
up a
lovely?
couple more. Like I need the headache, but you know. So you can always say
Scale and other water issues like brown stain and bad odors and lead with HydroCare water products from Wave Home Solutions. Wave's affordable systems don't use salts or chemicals.
CRTs to throw off the Sears Tower.
But you don't see the blueness because when you see it from the front, what it does, you'll get a little pattern by it.
Good morning, Friday.
You got to go inside this one.
Oh yeah, man.
There you go. Wow. It came from WLAV Channel 7 in Grand Rapids. It was their studio TV.
Wow. That's cool, man. And I love this little jobber. I actually worked on a couple of those back in the day. But this is beautiful, man. Unbelievable.
A little jittery, but you know, I guess when I get that old, I'll get shaky too. So.
Good seeing you, man.
See ya.
This one sold?
Yep, sir.
What'd you get today?
I got 100.
A lot of goodies here this year.
Yeah,
Yeah.
never fails.
Oh yeah, man. You know, I bought one of these last year.
Wow.
Pretty cool instrument. I can't remember what I did with it, but
Right.
it's probably still laying around.
Years.
Yeah.
But I got a Hickok big analyzer.
Oh yeah.
So,
Yeah.
if somebody wants to pay that money for it, I'll let it go.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah. CRT. What is that out of the scope? The CRT.
Yeah, it came out of an RCA.
Okay. All right, man. Well, good luck on the sale.
Thanks.
Beautiful Bogan here. 1968. Cool. Got a Kenwood. Looks a little more modern, maybe mid 80s, I think. Hey, how you doing?
Track of stuff here.
Oh yeah. Just doing the walkthrough so everybody gets to, you know, see what it's all about. Harman Garden. Very cool. And his plan.
A lot of it. You don't want half of it in it. Exactly. It's the people who are going to sue him for $1 million with 110%.
jobber's seen better days. A little bit of whipped cream coming out of that cap. Big little tube amp there.
1360 should still be out there.
It's in there. Let's take a looky.
You need to drag that home. Where's the wagon?
The wagon's like way over there. So yeah, I'll get to that point, man. I gotta do my walkthrough first.
Yeah, that's what I do as well.
Oh yeah.
In fact, they had a bigger model of an A-transition, what they call Super Grand. Just like it.
So how long has it been since Santa put a Philco under your tree, huh? That's very cool. It looks like we got a big old camera here of some kind.
Yeah, I think.
D-Lad needs that for his presentations.
It's a nice looking set. Yeah. Somebody wants the project.
Very cool.
When they made that,
I'm loving these
what
signs.
they did, they took the leads from the cap, they brought them up through, and then they brought them about that far along the land of.
Got some cool signs, man. I'm loving it.
So to
Loving it.
solder, you got to really be careful. You can ruin the coil.
Putting all this on YouTube.
If they were just straight
That's what we do.
suck it out, pull them out,
Every
no
year.
problem. But they didn't do that.
Well, that's not because of the hook.
But they also had the lead bent over and coming down the land, which made it work. If they came straight through, you could
This
suck it
little
out.
Scott.
Most of them did.
That was nice.
These guys did different. That they get to a couple of cats.
Love the chrome chassis. Guessing maybe a two-tripper?
Not a big deal.
Yep. Supremo. That's fun.
Yeah, I'll guarantee you.
We've got some boat anchors on the floor we're going to have to look at too.
Well,
Little Scott.
I used this wood on
Airline. And down on the floor. This must have been too heavy for the table. Man. If only I had more time. I'd love to restore this stuff and put it on for you guys to see. What do we got here? It's an empty cabin. And then we got a little bit of the more modern stuff here. Speakeroids. What we got here? Another Kenwood. It's funny what the prices are doing on these old Silver Series receivers nowadays. Used to be able to buy them for like 20 bucks. They're a little higher than that now. You can always find some good deals on test equipment. Crystal calibrator there. You really got to take your time and look very carefully on these tables and look underneath the tables. Sometimes there's goodies there that you'll miss.
I don't go on it much anymore because I'm sick of the politics. You can't go on there anymore without some sure posting something to live. That's what we're looking for. That would be my brother.
High voltage probe. I used to have one of those back in the TV repair days. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Just doing my walkthrough. How's sales?
Started out pretty good on his stuff. I haven't sold anything yet.
It'll come around, man.
Well, no thanks to the auction.
Oh, yeah.
That'll screw us over.
Yeah, I mean, you back there.
That's a reel-to-reel player. Some kind of a crazy radiola thing. I'm assuming it must be a radio. Never seen anything like that before. Transoceanic. Looks pretty good. Meteoroid back there. Super nice stuff here. People just need to peel out those dollars, take them away. Look at that jobber.
I'd like to remind everybody, if anyone out there is hungry or thirsty, the concessionary back here has great.
See if the back is open. All right. Yeah. The driver's been around a while. It looks 100% complete. My guess is it's not working. What else we got? So I got a shortwave girl shooting a video. So I'm taking a video of you shooting a video.
That makes no fun.
Yeah, cool. Find anything good?
Yeah, actually a few things.
Yeah? Did anything you want to buy? Because Grandma's got a bunch of money. Just tell Grandma you want it.
That was fun to watch.
Oh, yeah. It would be on the air. She's doing her own video this year, yeah. It's going to be great. Is this Gary of Gary's Radios?
Yes.
All right, man. I'm going to put you on YouTube. So you specialize on transistorized radios? Yeah.
Transistors specializing in Zenith.
Excellent. All right, man.
Yeah.
That looks great.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, meeting a lot of good people here and talking radios.
Yeah. Yeah, I forgot about that LED coming in blue box. You see very few boxes.
Yeah. That's for sure.
Excellent. You have one you'd like to talk about, Gary?
This is the top of the line from Zenith. They're transistors made in 1961, the 500H.
Okay.
This is the two-tone blue-gray version, which seems a little scarcer. This one has been in a collection for years, and it's housed in its Tiffany gift box. It's a hinged box.
Wow. And what is the approximate cost of something like that?
The cost of this is what you can get it for. I put the value at about $700 when it's in, near mint condition like this.
Okay.
Yeah. But we have a special sale price at the show today.
Oh yeah? Of $6.99?
Or you can $6.99. Or you can go to Gary'sRadios.com.
All right. Excellent. Thanks, Gary.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, we got to have this on video, man. So there's a story about...
Yeah, it's continuing on.
Okay. The fight is?
Yes.
Whole marriage.
One. Just one, but it's never ending.
Yeah, 27 years.
Well, see, my wife and I used to had fights about this kind of stuff, but I wore her down. Yeah, so now look, now she's out there, she's probably buying up stuff I don't even know.
No, but I don't want to say this on there.
Why not? People love it, go ahead.
My wife and I'm going on 80 years old. I still have sex almost every day of the week.
Wow.
Almost Monday, almost Tuesday.
I love it. That was great.
I'm going to claim he has dementia.
My mother's the same age.
How you doing?
All right, how you doing?
Good, man. How's sales? Yeah, it's the first day.
Yeah, it's
It'll be better tomorrow. I love these scopes, man. Good to see them running.
Yeah, I got too many.
Yeah, me too. I collect them. I've got a in the box B&K 1460.
Wow.
It's never been used. Got a beautiful HP. I'll kill this. It's the lady with the blue hair.
It's the lady. I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Excellent, excellent. Yeah, we're shooting some good stuff here.
Good.
I'm hoping to see it pick up, Where's all the people?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I'm hoping that tomorrow it brings a lot more because that's the general public and that's who we want.
Yeah.
We need
Yeah.
to get new people into the hobby.
You know, it may help if next year if you have green hair.
It might.
Yeah.
I will try it. I will do whatever will work.
Okay.
By all means.
All right, it's good seeing you.
Good seeing you. Take care.
This is the story behind it.
Macintosh. All right. Oh, okay.
It's actually a nun that was part of some Catholic university, and I went through their estate sale, bought all the goodies, keeping those. I don't listen to the radio, so I'm selling it.
Yeah, it's gorgeous, man. And what do we got here? Is this one?
That's quad receiver.
Oh, okay. Not another Macintosh. Yeah, yeah, that's cool, man. Don't see those very often. Look at that. Chrome flywheel for the tuning. That's very
I have
cool.
not cleaned it. It basically, when I got 11 years ago,
Yeah.
and I got all the other C22s, 28s, and everything from the estate sale, I missed out on their guitars. But very nice piece, and I used it for 1 week, put it back in the box,
Yeah.
on the shelf, and then I thought, I just better bring it out.
Yep, let her
someone
go,
else
man.
appreciate it.
Yep, I agree. All right, have a good one, man. Bunch of command sets. Very cool. Panasonic. Got the little preamp here caught my attention. Dynaco. Says it's refurbished. It's Pat 4A with the original literature for $100. Bet you find nice I could get it cheaper. Got some Heathkit stuff. Some realistic Minimus 7s, and I believe those cabinets have been painted. Still, they look nice. Sony. So, some more realistics, painted again. Beautiful Pioneer. Look at these big jobbers, huh? Creature features. Those are speakers. Sanyo. Don't see them too often.
I want to stay.
Yeah. What we got here? Ooh, Zenith cabinet. It's in good shape.
There you go.
An 8 ECR shelling out the cash.
Only $5 today.
What are you buying, man?
I just bought a 10-meter antenna.
Oh.
The little guy, though.
I thought you were going to say you bought a sleeve of 12 AX7 tubes for $5. Wouldn't that be great?
That'd be better if they were free.
So, another Macintosh.
I only want you to tell the guy you want him back. You know, I don't want him to have a right of end up because he's got him having a right of first refusal. You know?
No. I've done business with this guy for a long time.
I don't want him to say, hey.
I'll be here for the weekend.
I believe these are empty speaker cabinets. Homebrew.
So reminder once again, auction check-in begins at 10 a.m. The Expo Center. Also at 10 a.m. contest check-in. So please keep your contest ends on the air starting in about 10 minutes. Thank you.
Now, the next question is, we're already making.
You moving into my territory?
Actually, you're moving into mine.
Oh, really? This is what I do. I think you're trying to steal this from me. Become the star of the show, aren't you?
You said I would take over when I get older.
Okay. Well, you got a cell phone now, so you're obviously older.
Exactly. Exactly. I'm
Right
taking
too.
over.
Well, I got to look at all this stuff. I only started down here.
What'd you find him?
Well, this is it. Here, that this
Yeah. Yeah, so this is really good to watch. If you're tired, you can just lay down. Let's try it out, okay? So if you were to lay down like this, right? Then you can watch TV and it'd be normal. Now this is a great idea, isn't it?
No, that's not even what?
Are you sure? I know, but then if it was right side up, then you could lay down and watch it. Oop. There goes Shortwave Girl. She's on a quest, shooting her own video, taking over D-Lab. I'm chasing you. You can't get away from me. Uh-oh. Oh no. It's a video war.
What you need to do is stop. He's being very annoying videos.
Really?
Please make him stop. Please.
Nice.
Same time, remember back in the 60s, the higher end consoles tend to come with a smaller head one. Yeah, the real light one. Yeah, but they're both just 2 grams, I believe. And then there's the factory. The Tubian, in 1965. I think it was the last year the Tubian. You see it here.
Single end of the L84 outputs. I had a console like this that one time. I had it for a long time. It sounded great.
Yeah, then you see the whole console stuff. Yeah, so it's a good shape.
Marcia, so I got a problem.
Uh-oh.
I've been here like for 2 hours. And I haven't been able to buy anything. I mean, nothing.
Aw, what a shame.
Hey, I'm not just here to shoot video. I need some goodies.
Aren't I your goodie baby?
I need something that has tubes. Tubes.
I can put some on my shoulders.
Nice.
What?
All right, so Marcia's found a radio
Yes.
that she's going to let me buy. All right, what is it, Marcia?
What makes you think that it's going to be yours?
All right, the one that you're going to buy. Let me
Right
see.
there.
All right, what is it? All right. Very cool. Hey, you know, it's only, what, $7.25? I think that's pretty reasonable.
Cool. Thanks,
Is that
dear.
what it is? Oh, these guys are like, I don't think so. Can you turn it around so I can see the back of it? The back's not open on it?
No.
Oh, okay. All right, that's cool. Very cool. What year is that? Do you know?
1932.
Wow. Yeah, that's gorgeous, man. Oh, she tried to interview you.
Oh, yeah?
No?
She didn't try.
Oh.
Yeah, she did it. Oh, yeah. But I didn't know she had to. I didn't know she had to run all that time. You know. So I didn't record it. Yeah, she says, but it won't go anywhere. So it's face. You're all right. She said.
She says, my dad knows how to do it.
Yeah, he knows how to do that stuff.
Or my grandpa.
Yeah, my grandpa. I think she said he works for the company. You
Yeah.
work for
Yeah, a local company here. Yeah.
local company
Yeah.
here. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So she is amazing.
She's fun.
She's awesome.
She's all, yeah. And that's her right there.
Grandparents, yeah, this is her. Her grandparents are in construction and retail and just there's just so many endless possibilities for her.
What grade are you in now?
Second.
Going in the second? Going in the third?
I'm going in the third. I was in second, but I'm going
You graduated from second.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
She wants to be the head of D-Lab.
Yes, I want to be the head of
tell him President of the United States.
I actually want to be a vet and a adoption center person.
Really? That is really neat.
A Creed Morse reperforator or perforator. It's essentially from the middle 20th century, maybe a little earlier, made in England, and it was designed for high-speed Morse code transmission, reception, I should say. And so as this spins here, the Morse code is fed in here, and that controls these punches to punch a tape. It comes up, it comes down. There's been some damage here. This has been moved over. I've owned this for about 45 years. I'm trying to find a good
tape,
home.
would it be like those ticker tapes that people used to read?
Well, no. This produces a punched tape with punched holes according to the Wheatstone code. Okay. Then that tape is fed into this machine here, and these fingers read the tape. And this is spinning around, and this is the second tape that comes through here, and this is essentially a printer. So this prints out in standard, English.
Okay.
And it's got a cast bronze base. I brought them back from England in 1972, and and I'm trying to find a good home for them.
Huh, that's excellent. I appreciate that, sir.
Sure.
When they moved it to Z.
Look at this creature feature. Wow. I've never seen this model of the Hickok tube checker. Oh man, it's a beauty. Well, obviously, when I can't find you, I know right where to look, where the food's at.
Cheese.
I'm hungry. What do you expect?
I got you, buddy. So, Emmy, you know back when the first astronauts went into space, do you remember when that was? You do? Do you know that they used this right here? You see what that says?
Model LE2.
What's it say on top?
Moon.
Mars. They use this to talk to Mars. What do you think? Do you believe me?
No.
Good. Hey, I gotta show you something, Marsh. So in this box is a very early version of this device. Do you see what that is?
A vibrator.
Yeah, and this one does not require D batteries.
Hey, Terry, look. I think it's a TV dinner.
Really? Well, it appears though it may have a burger and a shake in there, but let's see what it is. Oh, wrong answer, Wink.
Aww.
But it's very cool. Look at that. I've never seen a record player like that. And this one does 45s and 33 only.
So I just bought this unit, and what it is, it's a Macintosh, which is one of the top brands in audio, as everyone knows. And this is a MX 132, and I feel very fortunate to have found that here. I am a 2-channel guy. This happens to be a multi-channel device, though. But nevertheless, still yet good sound for 2 channels. So it's a 7.1 and DTS, ProLogic, Dolby Digital, THX reference unit.
So this is fairly modern then?
It is.
Yeah.
Probably early 2000s, somewhere along in there, I would say.
You collect this stuff then? pretty
I
much?
do, but
Okay.
I'm mainly a vintage collector.
Yeah.
So it's still hard to resist a piece of Macintosh when you find it, even if you do collect vintage audio.
Sure, it's gorgeous. Yeah.
Hence the attraction.
Well, I appreciate you showing me your find.
Happy to do it.
Yeah, it was good
Thank
to meet
you.
you, man.
Thank you.
Having a good time learning about radio.
Got a great teacher.
Yeah. All right, so, there's something going on here. You two just need to be honest with me. What's the deal?
She has my favorite name.
Terry?
Marcia.
Yeah. So is this your gizmos over here? Yeah. All right.
Don't get any ideas.
Why? You know what, Marsh? I've got that CD in the car.
What CD?
Are you
The
serious?
one playing.
Lionel Cartwright?
No, I'm just making it up.
Oh, because
You know
I had
me.
to get that from Amazon.
Oh, really?
It's from 1990.
Wow.
I had to pay $22 for that.
What? Holy
But
crap.
I wanted it because we're going to use it for our theme song for the club.
Oh, excellent.
The first cut. I saw it on the radio.
Yep. So, John, you're at every one of these meets, right?
Yeah.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, everyone.
Cool, man. How much do they pay you to come here and sell?
No.
What?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, they don't.
Oh, okay.
Where's our girl? I haven't seen her yet.
Oh, which girl?
He knows. We know what girl.
Uh-oh. So there's another one that he hugs?
It's Dan Fox's significant other.
Oh, but she's not here?
I haven't seen her yet.
She's unmistakable.
You
When she
will
comes
never,
in,
you never miss her in a crowd.
So what you're saying is that this swap meet is not only good for picking up radios, but it's good for picking up
women.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. See, that's a selling point right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Works for John. Works.
All right. So I finally wore you down. She's letting me buy something. And it's a very cool amplifier. Let me show you guys this thing. So I'm going to flip around here. It's pretty classy. So this is a Heathkit integrated amp. And a fellow here told me that it was actually designed by Harman Kardon, which is very cool. Oh, look at there. It actually says Harman Kardon. I guess I could have read that.
That's only after I talked to him.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay. A little marketing going on here. I got it. So you're going to buy this for me, sweetie pie?
Well, it's for a good cause.
Yeah. All right. Excellent. And oh, will you also carry it for me?
Well,
You know, over to the
somebody's
wagon.
got to put it in the wagon.
Yeah, I'm an old guy.
I know
mean,
it.
You guys had to haul me in on the
I
wagon.
know.
You're hurting me.
I'm not. I'm just playing the game, man. It's a swap meet, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so 20 bucks. And look at there, it gives me 50 back when I gave him a 20. That is a great deal, man.
That is really cool. I love this. I love that pattern.
Yeah.
You can make it yours.
So see, it's just not tube amp stuff here, Marsh.
No,
Hey,
this
that's
is a
cool.
really neat pattern. It really caught my eye.
Well, if you want it, you can get it.
Aren't they
I'll have to
beautiful?
think about it. Yes, they're gorgeous.
I was looking
Yeah.
at these. I have a cousin whose wife does the tatting, and she makes us a Christmas ornament out of tatting every year.
Yes.
I have every one she's made and sent me for the last 20 years.
My sister does this.
Does it? Oh, look.
When she has the time.
Yes, and it does take time.
Yes, this is very intricate work.
Oh, it is. It's not fast. Isn't that
No,
gorgeous?
no.
We need to get a couple. Make my
I'm
wife
telling
happy.
you, I'm telling you, she does beautiful work.
Yeah, now you've handled the goods, Marsh. You got to buy one.
I mean, for the $5 ones, I mean,
Yeah.
that's like a Big Mac.
So I didn't spot this one. Old GE television.
The radios are in great shape.
How cool is that, huh? And next to it, an old Zenith record player. Hi-Fi. Excellent. Hey, is the back of that TV open where I could shoot it? Can I come around there and shoot it?
A little dusty, but sure.
Okay, yeah, coming around.
They open.
Oh yeah, there we go. So here's the rear of it. Man, oh man. High voltage section's all encaged. Yeah. Wow. That's wild. Thanks. You're gonna buy it, right?
I'll look at that.
All right. Good. She needs to sell it because she actually owes me like $400. Yeah. So
Is it 400 now?
it's
Okay.
400. You got to pay up. So what's that?
With interest?
With interest, yeah.
$1 a minute interest?
75 A3 is beauty. Tell you what, if you buy it, I'll carry it out to your car for you.
Oh, I got a couple guys to carry out the car.
All right. I'm just trying to help you out here.
Awesome. Friendly service.
Yeah.
Full and friendly service.
Yeah. It's a good one.
Good morning.
Did you buy this for your bedroom? No. Why not, man? You could hook an MP3 into it. Yeah? Probably sound great. Oh, okay.
MP3,
All right.
that's like your
Yeah.
like your iPod.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or my iPod player. Very good.
Yeah.
Your phone. You can take your phone and plug that in.
And get the tube sound, man.
Yeah.
Let me check it.
Don't worry, he's with the Vintage Electronics.
Yeah, don't worry, man. I'm harmless. Excellent.
Boards for the floor. The problem is all of a sudden trees are starting to grow up and they shoot up between the decking boards. Yesterday, I finally looked underneath. This has been going on for a couple of years.
Oh yeah.
Hi, I'm Mike Sosolka, KO9Q from South Bend, Indiana. And in addition to being a ham radio operator, I also restore like the All-American 5 radios, also vintage test equipment. And this is my find here at the show this morning. This is a Senior Volt Omist, model looks like WV98C. These are hard to find that are in decent condition yet. And this one, you know, it's going to need some work, but I think basically it's in good shape, so I'll restore it and I will actually use this on the test bench.
Good deal, man. Good find.
Yeah, I thought so.
All right. So here's the bargain auction area. So I think people donate things here. Sell it really cheap to support the club. Cool little realistic speaker there. These old record players of this type are pretty sought after. Nice cabinet there. I'd like to put a D-Lab amp in it.
Yeah, I got coffee.
Stack of LPs, chassis. Hold on, buddy. I'm just going around here real quick. Ooh, a Grundig. Did you see that jobber, Emmy? That's pretty cool.
What?
That radio, it's a Grundig.
Cool.
Look at there. Oh, oscilloscope, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Some cool stuff.
It's unusual.
Okay.
Because
so it's a little cap checker.
This has got the double slot, the double eye.
Oh yeah.
And you tune it for minimum, and you read out what the value is in.
Huh.
So I brought it because not many people have seen the double.
Yeah, I've never seen that mount.
It was pretty cool.
Yeah, very
and it's
cool.
accurate.
All right, day one complete at the Vintage Electronics Expo. We'll be back tomorrow for day two. Hopefully the amount of people pick up because there really wasn't that many people buying today. But this is Friday, right? So tomorrow should be like gangbusters.
I can't wait to see their world record of all the record players playing. I think that's going to be really cool.
It'll be very cool. Let's say see you tomorrow,
Bye. See you tomorrow.
All right.
The Tubian, 1965. I think it was the last year